Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, let's explore together how to use the Dyna-4 transmission of your tractor. The Dyna-4 is a semi-power shift transmission. It offers 4 ranges and 4 power shift speeds per range. It is operated using the T lever. To move forward, control the engine speed with the accelerator pedal and shift the transmission gears one by one with simple movements of the lever. When a range change is needed, you'll hear a beep. At that point, push the lever while holding the validation button to switch ranges. If your tractor is equipped with the auto drive option, 2 automatic modes are available via the dedicated switch on the right-hand console. The auto power mode automatically shifts to the next gear when the engine reaches 2050 revolutions per minute. Meanwhile, the auto eco mode shifts to the next gear at 1650 RPM, promoting more fuel-efficient operation. In both cases, if the engine speed drops below 900 revolutions per minute, the tractor automatically downshifts 1 gear. However, you can still manually override and shift gears yourself whenever needed. Keep in mind, even in auto mode, a range shift must always be performed using the T lever and the validation button. Additionally, with the brake to neutral option, you can configure the transmission to automatically shift to neutral when you press the brake pedals. When you release the pedals, it resumes to the preset starting gear. The switch to activate this feature is located on the right-hand console. Press the top of the switch to activate the function. An icon will light up on the dashboard. Press the top of the switch to deactivate it. This feature only works at speeds below 20 km/h. If the speed exceeds this limit, the function is temporarily disabled and the dashboard icon blinks. It will reactivate once your speed drops below 5 km/h, or if you manually toggle the switch again. The power control lever, located to the left of the steering wheel, allows you to change direction without using the clutch pedal. You can also quickly adjust your speed by moving the lever towards plus to upshift or to downshift the power shift gears. If your tractor is equipped with an electrical multifunction joystick for the loader, it offers several additional functions for managing the transmission. Ensure the loader function is deactivated. Pressing plus or minus on the joystick allows you to shift power shift's gears. By holding the validation button located behind the joystick, you can also change ranges. The joystick can also be used to change the direction of travel. Ensure the power control is in neutral. D-clutch. Press the safety trigger located at the back of the joystick. Select the direction using the forward or reverse buttons. Then release the trigger and the clutch pedal to engage the chosen direction. You can even reverse direction at any time by simply pressing the corresponding joystick button. However, if you use the power control again, you'll need to return it to neutral before reusing the joystick for directional changes. Now you know all the essentials for operating the Dyna-4 transmission on your Massey Ferguson tractor. It's your turn.